So, you want to see the day-to-day? Okay, here we go! So, people ask me, LP, how do you deal with the trolls? Well, for the most part, YouTube is pretty much where the adults hang out. But I wanted to show you basically what I do about once a day. Alright, so let's take a look. Okay, so this is my TikTok account right here, and let's go ahead and minimize myself so you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this video right here. Hello, it might get a little bit loud. Well, this is a video I made this morning, basically saying, hey, I'm going to go live at 10 a.m. every morning. So let's go ahead and click on that, and we're going to make it a little quieter. And then let's go back to that other screen that we were just looking at. All right, so now if you notice there on the right-hand side, this is where all of the comments are. And I actually try to go through my comments. So let's take a look at what we got. Did we only have 10 days left on 7/22? This sounds like a legitimate question. Oh, look, SE makes his money off of people panicking. I'm going to go ahead and give her a like. And then I'm going to take SE and I'm just going to go right click. And I'm going to go to SE and I'm just going to go block. Because SE just isn't worth my time. And I think you can see where this is going. Some of these are actually really pretty funny. Let me go ahead and fix this screen real quick. Because, yeah, that wasn't supposed to happen. So, we're just going to go ahead and block that doofus. Let's see here. Matter of fact, I don't know if I can actually get... Well, he's been blocked. It doesn't matter anymore. See, get ready, LP. All right, so he's rooting me. That guy's rooting me on. He's good to go, Michigan Rustic Woodlands. We got here. You have an awesome media voice. I'm going to give her a heart. And I'm going to tell her, thank you. I'm just going to tell her appreciate it. Okay? We're going to do that. Now, you see, we're engaging with the people. The music is very loud and hard to hear. I don't know what to tell you about that, JoJo, but it is what it is. Watch for the first time today. Got a lot of info. Thank you. And followed you on YouTube. Excellent. Giving her a little heart. Personally, I feel that life is barely worth living. Oh, my God. HG Brox, dude. You're kind of down. Oh, no. 6 days. All right. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and take and go on over to this guy who looks like he's got something really wrong with him, and we're just going to hit the block button right there, and we're going to go delete that, and we're going to pop on. We're going to see what else we got going on here. We got a yup. I'm not sure what that is, but we're going to give him a yes. What's your YouTube? We're going to go ahead and reply to him. Local prepper. Ooh, this mic is in my way. All one word. All right. I'm going to post that. All right, see, what dates are you going to throw at us today? And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to like... No, I'm not going to like that. I'm not going to do that, Donna. Donna, you're kind of wasting my time, Donna. Let's go and open a new tab here for Donna. And we're just going to go throw out the old band hammer and just get rid of Donna's little attitude. Whatever happened to your warnings for 30 days and the countdown? Nothing happened. Oh, I love these people. And I'm going to be nice. I'm going to give this guy a pass here. No one said the world was ending. Stay safe. Let's go ahead and check my spelling because I'm really bad at that. And we're going to go ahead and capitalize no. No one said the world was ending. Stay safe. And I'm going to give him a little, I'm going to go to the end of this. I'm going to give him a little winky face because he's just so smart. And we're going to post that. And so, yeah, that's all of the... That's what I have to do every single day. Sometimes it's 10 or 15. Sometimes it's 100. But I do believe in engaging with the crowds. And I think that's all I wanted to say. Thanks for watching, and I hope you decide to support the page. If you like what I'm doing, go ahead and hit the link below. If it didn't take you directly to it, you can just hit the support page. That's what it should look like. All you have to do is either hit the Patreon symbol or the join button. Doesn't matter. Just hit it, and that'll get you started. It's $3 a month for 30-ish days of work from me. The price of a Starbucks coffee. So, until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.